I've got so much to thank God for. So many wonderful blessings and so many open doors. A brand new mercy along with each new day. That's why I praise you, and for this I give you praise. Good morning and welcome to your spiritual sports segment on Rhema Gospel Radio. I'm CJ. Let's go. Championship week was in full gear on Saturday, starting with the top-ranked team in the country as LSU demolished number 14 Georgia for the SEC Championship 42-10. Third-ranked Oklahoma State sent 10th-ranked Oklahoma packing for the Big 12 Championship 44-10. While 6th-ranked Houston, with their quarterback that I have called Dr. Case Keenum because of his surgical precision with the football, had a malpractice suit filed against him and his Cougars and was upset by number 24 Southern Mississippi for the Conference USA Championship 49-28. 7th-ranked Boise State literally spanked and shut out New Mexico 45-0. Number 11 Kansas State defeated Iowa State 30-28. 13th-ranked Michigan State in a rematch against 15th-ranked Wisconsin in the inaugural Big Ten Championship couldn't hang on and lost 42-39. And other ranked teams that won were Baylor and TCU. For the first round of your NFL scores, Chris Johnson rushed for 153 yards and took it to the house twice as the Tennessee Titans buffaloed the Buffalo Bills 23-17. The Kansas City Chiefs defeated the Chicago Bears 10-3 as the Bears' backup quarterback threw 3 picks. The Oakland Raiders were walloped by the Miami Dolphins 34-14. The Denver Broncos escaped with the win over the Minnesota Vikings 35-32. The Indianapolis Colts remained winless as they were beat by the New England Patriots 31-24. The Cincinnati Bengals were crushed by the Pittsburgh Steelers 35-7. And Cam Newton accounted for 4 of the Carolina Panthers' 6 touchdowns as they defeated the Tampa Bay Bucks 38-19, as the rookie Newton set the NFL single-season rushing record for a quarterback. For the scores in ranked men's college basketball, 8th-ranked Baylor out-muscled Northwestern 69-41. 20th-ranked UNLV was upset by unranked Wichita State as they handed the Rebels their first loss of the season. 22nd-ranked Creighton managed a win against Nebraska 76-66, and number 24 Cal was upset by San Diego State 63-64. And for the top 10 ranked scorers for the ladies on the hard court, Brittany Griner led all scorers for the top-ranked Lady Bears of Baylor as they had no problems with Minnesota and won 89-60. Number 3 Notre Dame pummeled Creighton 76-48. 4th-ranked Texas A&M was upset by 16th-ranked Purdue 60-51, while 5th-ranked Stanford ran past Fresno State 93-53. 6th-ranked Duke demolished Pitt 92-43. Number 7 Maryland hammered American 76-42. 8th-ranked Tennessee clobbered number 22 Texas 73-57. And 10th-ranked Kentucky cruised past number 11 Louisville 74-54. The other ranked teams that won were Green Bay, Georgetown, Georgia, Ohio State, Vanderbilt, and Gonzaga. To have your company sponsor a sports segment, please email me at cjsports, that's CEEJAY, sports@gmail.com for more information. Be sure to follow me on Twitter at CJSports, and to listen to previous shows, catch me on YouTube and search CJ Spiritual Sports. Stay tuned for more updates in your next spiritual sports segment, where we sprinkle a little spirituality in your sports. I'm CJ. Be blessed and keep smiling because you look better when you do.